Python 2, different meaning of the in keyword for sets and lists. Consider this snippet. Which evaluates 2. Can anyone explain why the in a keyword has a different meaning for sets and lists? I would have expected both to return true, especially when the type being tested has equality methods defined.
The meaning is the same, but the implementation is different. Lists simply examine each object, checking for equality, so it works for your class. Sets first hash the objects, and if they don't implement hash properly, the set appears not to work. Your class defines underscore underscore eq underscore underscore, but doesn't define underscore underscore hash underscore underscore, and so won't work properly for sets or as keys of dictionaries. The rule for underscore underscore eq underscore underscore and underscore underscore hash underscore underscore is that two objects that underscore underscore eq underscore underscore as true must also have equal hashes. By default, objects hash based on their memory address. So your two objects that are equal by your definition don't provide the same hash, so they break the rule about underscore underscore eq underscore underscore and underscore underscore hash underscore underscore. If you provide a underscore underscore hash underscore underscore implementation, it will work fine. For your sample code, it could be
define underscore underscore hash underscore underscore method that corresponds to your underscore underscore eq underscore underscore method. Example.
In pretty much any hash table implementation, including Python's, if you override the equality method you must override the hashing method. In Python, this is underscore underscore hash underscore underscore. The in operator for lists just checks equality with every element of the list, which the in operator for sets first hashes the object you are looking for, checks for an object in that slot of the hash table, and then checks for equality if there is anything in the slot. So, if you override underscore underscore eq underscore underscore without overriding underscore underscore hash underscore underscore, you cannot be guaranteed that the in operator for sets will check in the right slot.
Before support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.